Hello, my name is Dimitris, Chief Instructor of Aegeas Yachting Training Centre, and today we're going to talk about how you can depart from a finger pontoon. So, when you want to depart from any possible docking, the most important thing is to check where the wind is coming from, because different angle of wind can change dramatically how your boat will be affected from the wind. So, when you want to depart from a pontoon and the finger pontoon, the most important thing is to come in slow forward. By coming in slow forward, a lot of water from the propeller will run towards the rudder. So then you're going to apply tension on the stern line. The moment you have tension on the stern line and water flow coming from the propeller to the rudder, you have the control of the boat. Then you can start getting out lines that you don't need. And the first line that you don't need as far as you are in slow forward is the spring line. The spring line is the middle line that prevents the boat from moving backwards towards the dock. Then the next line is the front line, the bow line, and then the last line that you will take out is the stern line. Check where the wind is coming from, and then change the direction of the boat towards the direction of the wind. So you will protect the bow, that is the lightest part of the boat, from not drifting away. So departing from the finger pontoon, the most important thing, as we say, is first to check where the wind is coming from. So the wind is coming from our starboard side. So that means that the bow will be blown on the port side. So first thing first, we come in slow forward. So we have the water flow from the propeller coming directly to the rudder. And now you can see on the port side that the spring line is getting slacked. So Panagiotis, please take the spring line out. The moment the spring line will be out, then we're removing also the bow line, and we're gonna keep all the tension at the stern line. The stern line is taking tension because the boat is being pushing forward by having the gearbox engaging forward. When the spring line and the bow line, they will be back in the cockpit of the boat, then and only then we can take out the stern line and get out. Now, if the wind is pushing us hard from the starboard side, what we can do is to turn the helm on the starboard side and prevent the bow from drifting to port. If the wind is from the port side, we can always take the helm on the port side and support the bow from drifting on the starboard side. So spring line is out. Now we can remove the bow line, and we're gonna stay only with the stern line attached. All this time, while we are disattaching the spring and the bow line, it's really important to stay with slow forward. In case we will come in neutral, what will happen is the boat will move back because all the tension now is on the stern line, and the stern line will work as a normal spring. So now, Panagiotis, be ready with the stern line. I will align my helm and remove the stern line so we can departure. I'm still staying in slow forward. So the line is getting back on the boat, and only when the stern will be away from the finger pontoon, then I'm gonna turn my course to starboard side. So to summarize the departing from finger pontoon, come in slow forward, check the wind, start getting the lines out that you don't need, and protect your bow from the wind. Subscribe in our YouTube channel to get access in more sailing videos.